Welcome to a top tip video from Tyre Seeker. This one's all about tyre damage, specifically what you can get away with and what you can't. Meet Chris Perry from ProTyre. He's been in the business for 25 years now, and there isn't anything he doesn't know about tyres. So Chris, when can a tyre be repaired? When does it need to be replaced? And how can you tell the difference?
If you find a bulge or nick in your tyre, that 9 times out of 10 does need replacement. The bulge is usually caused by damage to the internal cords of the tyre, which I would recommend not to drive on. If it's a nick, providing it's not exposing the cords, you will be able to drive to go and get the tyre replaced. If you get a small tear or nick into the rim protector of the tyre, occasionally you can get away with it. However, I would recommend bringing it in so we can check it for you. If you find a nail in the tread and the tyre pressure is over 20 psi, I would recommend bringing it in so we can inspect the tyre for you. Yes, it can be repaired, providing the tyre is in a usable condition and the nail is in the central three quarters of the tyre. This can be repaired. We do that repair by removing the nail or foreign body, drilling the tyre to a 6mm diameter and putting what's known as a plug patch into the inside of the tyre. This is to British standards and will last the lifetime of the tyre. The average cost of this is between £20 to £25.
So the golden rule if you damage a tyre is get it checked out immediately, no matter what, because sometimes it might not actually be as terminal as you think. Cheers for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and make sure you check out etyres.co.uk if you do need to replace any of your tyres. Stay safe and see you next time.